Hey everyone, it's Norm here from International Motor Cars, and as you've seen in the title of this video, I've just bought something absolutely stupid. And no, it is not this beautiful 2017 GTR. I want to show you right now. It is this 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn diesel, but a substantial number of custom modifications. The lift is all the way down right now, so we're gonna let this thing get unloaded, and then we're gonna jack this thing up to the sky so we can show you just how insane this monster truck actually is. Let's get it unloaded right now and I'll show you. All right, here it is getting unloaded. This thing's got a, what? Oh, that's crazy, yeah. This truck's so heavy, it's like literally lifting the front wheels off the ground on the tow truck. It's crazy. We'll get this thing unloaded and we'll jack her up to the sky and show you this insane lift truck here. All right, so we're gonna take this truck for its first drive now that we got it all jacked up. And this truck was actually from Nova Scotia. And we were joking around about shipping it, or sorry, driving it here, because nobody wanted to ship it.
Right.
Yeah, we'll just go right over the curb. It doesn't even matter. Jesus. I was worried. The only reason we didn't do it is I was worried how it would drive. Well, this is straight and the wheel is like that. Let's put it this way. It's a lot better than the monster truck drove. Like a lot better. We are high up. We are really high up. What are you looking at? I'm not going over that. All right, drive's okay. No way this thing would pass it on a province. I mean, it's not bad, but. So yeah, this is a 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn diesel mega cab with a supposed 18, yeah, like it took those bumps pretty good, a supposed 18-inch lift. I mean, it's pretty big. We're gonna, oh yeah, a little wobbly there. What do you see? Actually?
Yeah.
Oh. I wonder if
that's Turbo J.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
100%, I'll bet you.
Perfect. Well, he just made it in time.
It's Turbo J.
I can't see, sorry. Oh, look at that. Turbo J Transport pulling up.
Got 350 on that now?
That's his 21.
Oh, nice. You got a new one.
Yeah. All right, so here it is, unloaded. 17 Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn diesel. Insane, huge custom knockout lift. This thing is an absolute beast. Wheels, a little questionable, a little small, but nice big truck. Mega cab. Oh yeah, there you go. Tow mirrors. Custom, just straight out exhaust. We're gonna get this truck detailed and inspected and clean this thing up and get it in our showroom and take some pictures, and we'll do our video walk around for you. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you guys on the next one.